guys!
Hi.
So today we are doing a what? We're doing
Filipino challenge.
Tagalog challenge. So, magsasalita ako ng Tagalog.
What does that mean?
Magsasalita ako ng Tagalog, isasabihin niyo sa akin sa English. Kasi hindi po sila marunong mag-Tagalog, pero nakakaintindi sila ng English. So, we got our buzzers. So, DIY na buzzer lang to. Ay, nawala. Oh, anyway, so they got the buzzer. So, whoever buzz first will answer. Walang cheating, ha? Okay. First question. Ang init naman ngayon.
It's so hot outside. I did it first.
If you press, you have to let me tell who's gonna answer. Okay. Okay. Next, but that's correct. But no score. So next question. Inaantok ako? Kuya.
I'm so tired.
Ha?
I'm so tired.
Okay. Ay, kuya ba? Okay. Kuya got the answer. But the answer is I'm so sleepy, but it's okay. I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. I'm looking at your buzzers, whoever pressed it, okay?
Kuya, spam.
Okay, alright. Next question. Ang ganda mo naman ngayon.
You're so pretty.
I think she said it first. Okay, how about let's do like this na lang. Or do alternate. Okay? Kasi when you press, you already answer without even telling me. Without even letting me
And
say.
guess what?
Okay? Okay? So, Amara and then you and then Amara and then you. Okay? So, Amara, anong sabihin ng ang ganda mo naman ngayon?
You're so pretty.
Okay? Next question. Yeah.
Oh, I see my friend.
Anong paborito mong pagkain?
What are you eating?
No, kuya, don't distract her, okay? Amara, anong paborito mong pagkain?
What do you want to eat?
Close. What's your favorite food is the answer. But that's okay. Kuya, your question next.
Wait.
Sino ba next?
I'm the mom.
Ikaw? Okay. Don't look at the video if you get distracted kasi nadidistract kayo dun sa video. Ano ba? Ang baho mo.
Stinky.
Okay.
That's easy.
O, ikaw naman. Gusto mo hard? Mahirap? Okay. Anong gusto mong kainin?
What do you want to eat?
Okay. Louder!
What do you want to eat?
Ikaw naman. Let's see. Ano ba maganda? Kunin mo yung tubig.
Get the water?
Ano ulit?
Get the water?
Ding, ding, ding. Correct. Ikaw naman. Next. Huwag maingay. Okay, ikaw naman. Huwag maingay.
Don't be loud.
Correct. Okay, ikaw naman.
Who's winning?
Wala pa. Ikaw naman next. Saan mo gustong pumunta?
Where do you want to go?
Ha?
Where do you want to go?
Yeah! Ding, ding, ding! Okay, ikaw naman next. Ano ba? Maligo na tayo. Ha? Kailangan louder.
Go back!
Okay, next. Kailan gusto niyo ba ng mic? Mag-mic kaya tayo. Wait, guys.
No, I'm looking. I think it's
So, may mic out, diba? Next, Tagalog question.
me.
Ikaw. Magmaingay pag hindi mo turn. Ikaw. Meron pa ba? Hello. Ayan. So, next question sa'yo is, matulog ka na.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Ding, 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 ding. Ikaw, kuya. Next question. Matulog ka na, may pasok ka pa sa school bukas.
Go to sleep. We have school tomorrow.
Yun.
Yay!
Okay. Amara's next. Ikaw naman next.
What?
Madumi yan.
That's dirty.
Ha?
That's dirty.
Yay!
Hey!
Kuya naman. Anong gusto mong bilhin? Anong gusto mong bilhin?
What do you want to buy?
Yun. Minsan na may mental block sila na lalo na po may camera, so
Yeah.
hindi ko alam.
I don't know.
Lagay mo sa mic.
I don't.
Ha?
But you don't know.
Yun nga, hindi ko alam. Ano ba sabihin na? Sinabi mo na kanina.
I don't know.
Good job. Ubusin mo yung pagkain mo.
Finish your food.
Laksan mo.
Finish your food.
Yay!
Because of queso.
Ikaw naman. Anong gusto mong panoorin?
Do you want to watch?
Yes! Galing! Iisip pa niya eh. Ulit?
What do you want to watch?
Galing. Okay.
Sounds easy.
Ikaw naman. Ibigay mo sa akin yan.
I gave you that.
Ha?
I gave you that.
Well, it's me telling you. Bigay mo sa akin yan.
Give me that.
Yun. Ito, oh, may palakpak. Ay. Okay, ikaw naman next. Let's see. Ano pa ba mga ibang Tagalog? Itapon mo yan sa basura. Itapon mo yan.
Put that away?
Ha?
Put that away?
Hindi, close. Tapon mo sa basura. Tapon mo sa trash. Alam mo na yun. Dali. Kuya, alam mo?
What did you say?
Itapon mo sa basura. Tapon mo sa trash.
Throw that in the trash.
Ayun. Ikaw naman next.
Wait, how do you do the last one?
Laughing, ito. Clapping.
I pressed it.
I don't know. Break it? Hello? Okay. I don't know. Probably break it.
That.
Siya, meron pa siya. Ay, wala na rin. Alright. Next. Ano ba next? Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Is it my turn?
Ano po?
Where did it go?
Ang cute na lang ako. Yay! Ikaw naman, ha?
Dot, 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 dot.
Mahal yan. Ayoko bilhin yan.
That's a lot of money. I won't buy it. That's a lot of money.
Mahal yan. Ayoko bilhin yan. What?
That's expensive. I won't buy it.
Okay. Good job. Ikaw,
Wait,
next.
it's not working.
Ano bang next sa'yo? Maganda ka ba or pangit ka?
Are you pretty or are you ugly?
Yes! Galing! So guys, ayun naman, so as you guys can see, naiintindihan naman nila yung Tagalog, especially from me. They understand. Pero, kapag ibang tao, minsan iba kasi ginagamit nilang Tagalog words for other
I
people.
can't
Hindi nila
answer that.
naiintindihan. Pero itong dalawa, naiintindihan nila talaga. So, ano bang maganda pang Tagalog word? Ikaw naman ang next. Next sa'yo. Huwag maingay na. Ato, saan mo ba gustong lumaki? Sa Pilipinas o sa Amerika?
Where do you want to be? Philippines or America?
Ayun.
Where my bag go?
Ikaw naman. Dito ka, love. Kailangan close tayo. Si Amara naman, mahalin mo yung kuya mo.
Do you love your brother?
No.
Hindi naman tanong yung, hindi naman question.
That is called.
Hindi po. Mahalin mo yung kuya mo.
I know.
Do you love your brother?
I know.
Ano?
I love my brother.
Or love your brother, yes.
I love my
Both.
brother.
Another one. Isa pa. Ano pa ba? Tama na. Pagila, nag-iisip pa nga si Mami. Ano pa ba?
I want my bell.
Ay, huwag na nga gamitin. Ano pa bang, ano? Pasok ka na sa loob. Pasok ka na sa loob. Ayan. Few more question before we end this video. Ano sinasabi mo kanina?
What different question? I don't know.
Matulog na. Okay. Like, 5 more question. Wala na atang battery yan. But anyway, 5 more question. Ano pa ba? How about kayo naman na magsalita ng Tagalog sa akin?
Okay.
We do next round today.
Ako naman yung mag-i-English.
Okay, bet.
Or anything na lang. Anything na masasabi mong Tagalog. Ikaw naman. Magsabi ka ng Tagalog.
Matulog na.
O, ikaw. Kahit na ano.
Bahagi na sa rap.
Bata ba tayo?
Ha?
Bata ba tayo?
Show natin sa kanila. Paano ba yun? Maiba taya. Sino ang taya?
Me.
Kuya. Ayun. Alam nila yun. Ano ko sa kanila yun. Tuturo ko yung maiba taya. Okay, ikaw naman.
Apo.
Ha?
Apo.
O, ikaw.
Jack and Poy. Hali hali hoy. See mo na talo sa unggoy.
O, ikaw naman. Paano yung how about nanay tatay? Sing mo sa kanila.
Nanay, tatay, gusto magkabatay. Ate, kuya, gusto magkape. Lahat ng gusto ko ay sisintinyo. Sa matalali ay tingin ko.
Ikaw.
Tinidor.
Ha?
Tinidor.
Ano ibig sabihin ng tinidor?
Fork.
Ikaw. Dali. 5, 10 seconds. Dali. Isip ka.
10.
Huwag mo bilangin. Pass. Ikaw.
Ano mo?
Ikaw. Wala na? Wala na ba? Okay, sige. Magbabalong tayo.
Tatay.
Oh, alam niyo na yun. Easy
Kuya.
lang yun eh. Easy lang yun. How about long sentence yung gagawin ko ha?
No battery, please charge.
Okay, long sentence to ha. Long
Wow.
sentence. Ready? Si Mami ha. Ayoko dito sa Amerika. Gusto ko nang umuwi ng Pilipinas. Gusto mo sumama?
I don't want to go to America. I want to stay in Philippines.
Gusto mo sumama?
Yes!
Ay, yes daw. I-English mo yon. Yung gusto mo sumama. Ano ibig sabihin?
I don't want to go to America. I want to go to Philippines. Would you, do you want mommy to come to the Philippines?
Do you want mommy? Do you want to come with me? Parang
They come with me?
Okay, isa pa. One more long sentence ba? Ano ba bang long sentence? Tingnan natin. Si Amara, kakatapos lang ng birthday niya. Tapos, sunod na birthday, si Kuya naman. Ano bang gustong theme ni Kuya sa birthday niya? Sige.
Okay, me.
Yes, ikaw po.
Amara had similar.
Mali. Sabi ko, kakatapos lang ng birthday.
Amara's birthday is done. Now it's Kuya's birthday. What theme is Kuya gonna have?
Yun. Ganun. Okay, ikaw naman, love. Ubusin mo yung pagkain mo.
Finish your food.
Ha?
Finish your
Diba?
food.
Not even long.
Oh, sige, long naman. Long ulit. Ano ba? Uy, tigilan. Long naman, sige. Huwag kayong mag-away. Kailangan lagi kayong magmahalan. Ikaw.
Me?
Opo.
What did you say?
Huwag kayong mag-away. Huwag kayong mag-away. Dalawa.
Don't be loud.
Hindi, mali. Huwag kayong mag-away. Kailangan magmahalan.
distracted
I know.
me.
Huwag kayong mag-away. Magmahalan kayong dalawa. If you don't know, that's okay.
I don't know.
Okay, ikaw naman. Last, Amara. Last na po ang tanong. Ang tanong! Last tanong.
Last one.
Ano po? Wala na akong maisip. Wala na akong maisip. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Love you.
Ano? I don't love you. Mali.
Oh.
Ikaw.
I don't
you say?
know.
Wala na akong maisip na tanong.
We don't have money.
Wala daw. Wala na akong maisip. Wala na akong maisip na tanong sa inyo dalawa.
Okay, I'm the host now.
Kung hindi mo alam, it's okay.
Mommy.
Hindi mo alam.
What do you say?
Wag na nga. O, sige na, magbabay na tayo. Bye-bye, guys. Marunong na ba kayong magtagalog?
Yeah.
Hmm?
I know Tagalog.
Kailangan matuto kayo magtagalog para, di ba? Para, ano ba yung sasabihin ko?
It's a tie.
Para makauwi kayo ng Pilipinas.
It's a tie.
Opo, tay.
Tie.
Okay, ito na lang. Ask ko kayo ng question, tapos tatanungin din nyo. This is about mommy. Sino ang paboritong vlogger ni Mami?
Me?
Are you a vlogger?
Hindi, sino? No, this is
Me.
gonna be my question now. Just answer the question.
Me. How about
But
you?
no.
Yeah, about
Hey,
me.
that's my microphone.
But American.
Anong American?
I don't know Filipino.
Okay, about me. Last segment, about me. How old is Mommy?
32.
Sit down, wala ka sa camera. How old is Mommy?
42.
Ano 42?
32.
32. Who's Mommy's favorite vlogger?
Zana.
Hmm?
Zana.
Okay. What's Mommy's favorite place?
Philippines. Manila.
Manila.
It's Philippines.
It's both.
Wow.
Philippines.
Ano ba? What's Mommy's favorite food?
That's it.
Not really.
Back on
Okay.
college.
Alright, bye guys!
Bye.